Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix YouTube playback error. An error occurred, please try again later with the playback ID. So if you're getting this error in the YouTube, then here follow the fixes. First fix is to clear YouTube cache. So open Google Chrome, click on this three dot and then click on settings, then click on privacy and security, then click on third party cookies. Then click on see all site data and permissions, and then here search for YouTube, and next to youtube.com click on this trash icon and then click on delete. Now you can go ahead and check if your error is fixed or not. If not, then fix is to disable all extension including adblock, uBlock origin and other ad blogger extensions. So here how to do it. So open Google Chrome, click on this extension icon and then click on manage extension, and then disable extensions. If you have installed any extension related to ad block such as adblock, block ad across the web, ad blogger, uBlock origin or uBlock origin lite, then disable all the extension and ad bloggers, and then you can refresh the YouTube page and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix is to connect to a VPN. So you can install any repeated VPN such as NordVPN, ProtonVPN, ExpressVPN, SurfShark etc. Then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different region or country and then check. Now if you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. If still your problem is not solved, then log out from your YouTube account. So simply log out from your YouTube account and then refresh the YouTube page and then check. Fix 5 is to try incognito mode. So open Google Chrome and then click on this three dot and then click on new incognito window. This will open the incognito window. Now you can go to YouTube website and then check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve YouTube playback error. An error occurred, please try again later with playback ID. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.